Hello and welcome to this short video about WebLOAD automation. In this video, I will talk about how to automate your load tests if you have already scripts and you want to run them periodically or under some conditions, then that's the video for you. I will talk about how you can use the WebLOAD dashboard directly to do this, and how you can use the Jenkins plugin, or you can use command line that you can automate from other tools, or using the REST API. So first I'm going to cover the WebLOAD dashboard. The WebLOAD dashboard, if you have WebLOAD, you have a WebLOAD dashboard. Maybe you don't know about it, but it's on your localhost 3000. It's already there. There are other videos that you can see to explain about it. I'll just go very quickly how you can use it for automation. So in the WebLOAD dashboard, you can view your previous running test sessions, but you can also create tests. And there are different types of tests that you can create, a URL test or a script test or a template test. A template is the file that you created already in the console. It would have um, all the definitions of what scripts need to run and where and when, and or you can do it directly here with the script test. So in the script test, you're gonna create a test, give it some name, select whatever scripts you want. You can upload them and here and select the script and say like how many users you need to run and for how long they would run, um, which load generator. And here we come to the automation part. So here you have this checkbox for recurrence, and you can say that this script runs every day or let's say every week. And I'm going to say that this will run on Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday at uh, whatever 6 p.m. So that's gonna be my schedule, and that's basically it. That's automation. Once you do it, you create the test. The dashboard will automatically run it when you wanted it. You can specify here what to like to send you notification. So you can create an email notification or Slack notification, and you can say send it to me if the test has failed. Right, so you can do that, and you can use that in conjunction with SLA rules that you can define either in the template or directly here. And in the rules, you can say that the test should fail if whatever the login transaction took more than um, 20 seconds, or if the page time on average takes more than something. Or any other error, by the way, depending on how you define the test. That again, you can control also either in the console or from here. You can define what is actually consists of a failure. By default, it means that either there is a severe error or there is usually just an error that would define a failed test, but you can say something else. Um, Yep, and that's the basic automation. You create a test, and that test would run as per the schedule that it has. So that's one option that you have. So if you have Jenkins, you can either use it. You can so Jenkins is just a CI/CD tool that can do all kind of other stuff, but you can also use WebLOAD uh, in it. So if you already have something that runs it, or you can use it, it has all kind of other capabilities like the triggers. You can set it to instead of a timed schedule, you can say um, run it every time, whatever some others the environment is deployed or something like that. You can say that this would trigger it, so it has more powerful kind of controls around it. But the WebLOAD side of it is that you can add a build step to say, so this is if you install the WebLOAD plugin, you can have a build step, and here you can say, all right, execute this template, uh, whenever the triggers are going to be based on whatever Jenkins has. So the template, again, as I said, contains all the information. You create the template in the console, you save it, but it already says which script or scripts to run and on which load generators and for how long. And here it would save the results. So it's going to be result underscore and whatever the build number is. And also from here, you can automate analytics. So for example, this one takes the LS that was created here and generate a PDF report. Um, Another thing that you can do, you can create a JUnit-like report. So again, it takes the same ls, and it runs whatever portfolio you're gonna set. And the JUnit format basically converts just the errors that you had into JUnit failures. So it's not really a report, but you can use it in Jenkins to fail or not the script. So you can say, for example, if you have SLAs, the SLA failures would go into that script, depending on what you have in your portfolio, and then you can use that to here to say publish JUnit results. Basically, that will be used to fail or not the script. Yeah, and you can use the other built-in mechanisms in Jenkins to save the report, to email you the reports, and things like that. So that's Jenkins. Now, another option you have, you can use the command line. So this is I'm just showing you. This is the WebLOAD automation user guide. It covers pretty much everything I said, but this is where you can run it. So it's WebLOAD exit. It's the command line, and that's the path to the template that you want to run, and then the path to where you want the load sessions to be saved, and /AR for auto run. You can add a parameter to say how long it can run. This would run it for shorter, but the basic command is just that part would run whatever template you want and would save it in that location. And then you can automate it in any other tool that you have that can run command line, which is pretty much every CI/CD out there. And then you can automate WebLOAD execution. This automation guide also cover other things like the how to run analytics. So there is also the command for analytics from here, etc. Okay, and lastly, I can show you the REST API. So if you go into your localhost 8080, there is an API documentation link, and that's where you'll see the API. And the API covers a lot of things from, so this is starting a session. That's kind of the most basic one. But you can also get the list of all the sessions that you have, get the data from the sessions, and explore other things that are available, running analytics. All those things are available from the API. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or anything you want to know more, then please email us at support@radview.com and we'll help you. Thank you and goodbye.